Welcome to the captivating world of Bali Bird Park, where nature and adventure come together to create an enchanting experience for travelers seeking a truly immersive and awe-inspiring journey. Nestled in the heart of the beautiful island of Bali, this avian paradise is a must-visit destination for bird lovers, nature enthusiasts, and anyone looking to connect with the diverse and exotic wildlife of Indonesia. Bali Bird Park is a lush, tropical oasis spread over 2 hectares of carefully landscaped gardens, offering a serene and tranquil escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. As you step inside, you'll be transported to a world of vibrant colors, melodious songs, and the fluttering of wings, a world inhabited by over 1,000 rare and exotic bird species from across the Indonesian archipelago and beyond. Prepare to be mesmerized as you get up close and personal with these feathered wonders. Bali Bird Park takes pride in its dedication to bird conservation and education, providing visitors with the opportunity to observe, interact with, and learn about these magnificent creatures. From majestic eagles and playful parrots to graceful flamingos and elusive owls, every corner of the park offers a new and exciting encounter. For those seeking a more hands-on experience, the park offers a range of interactive activities. Imagine feeding a brilliant rainbow lorikeet from your own hand or having a hornbill land on your arm during the daily bird feeding sessions. These unforgettable moments create lasting memories for visitors of all ages. Bali Bird Park is not only a place of entertainment but also a hub for education and conservation. Knowledgeable guides are on hand to share fascinating insights into the world of birds, their habitats, and the importance of conservation efforts. The park's breeding programs and preservation initiatives underscore its commitment to protecting endangered species and ensuring their survival for generations to come. Photographers and nature enthusiasts will find Bali Bird Park a treasure trove of photographic opportunities. The vivid plumage, intricate patterns, and unique behaviors of the birds make for stunning subjects against the lush greenery and picturesque landscapes of the park. Bali Bird Park is an ideal destination for families, offering entertainment and education for visitors of all ages. Children will be captivated by the vibrant colors and playful antics of the birds, making it an unforgettable family outing. Bali Bird Park doesn't just offer a chance to connect with nature, it's also a gateway to Indonesia's rich cultural heritage. Throughout the park, you'll find beautifully crafted traditional Balinese architecture, adding to the overall enchantment of your visit. Witness captivating cultural performances, such as the graceful Quechua dance or the melodious gamelan orchestra, which provide a deeper understanding of Bali's artistic and cultural traditions. No visit to Bali Bird Park would be complete without indulging in the delicious culinary offerings. Enjoy a delightful meal at the park's on-site restaurants, where you can savor local and international dishes while overlooking lush gardens and exotic bird habitats. It's the perfect way to recharge and relish the serene atmosphere of the park. Before you leave, be sure to explore the park's gift shops, where you can find unique and handcrafted souvenirs, ranging from intricately designed bird-themed items to traditional Balinese crafts. These mementos will serve as lasting reminders of your extraordinary journey through Bali Bird Park. Bali Bird Park goes beyond being a tourist attraction. It is committed to promoting sustainability and eco-friendly practices. The park's dedication to conservation and responsible tourism is evident in its efforts to minimize its environmental impact and support local communities. By visiting the park, you contribute to these noble causes and help preserve Indonesia's remarkable biodiversity. Located in the village of Singapadu, Gianyar, Bali Bird Park is easily accessible from popular tourist areas such as Ubud and Sanur. The park is open daily, and guided tours are available to enhance your experience. In conclusion, Bali Bird Park is a breathtaking and educational destination that promises a unique and unforgettable journey into the fascinating world of birds. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or a first-time visitor to Bali, this sanctuary of nature will leave you with memories that will soar high above the rest. Come and discover the magic of Bali Bird Park, where every visit is a flight into the extraordinary.